Hey everyone, it's Trinity again, and today I'm going to talk about the File and Edit tabs underneath Google Spreadsheets. So there's a lot of similarities if you watch the File and Edit videos for Google Documents. There's a lot of similarities between the two, but there are some slight differences, so I'm going to go over them in this video. And so first we have, you can already see kind of the similarities. You can share a document, open new documents, import this one, make a copy of this one, downloading, emailing as an attachment, all of this, trash, move to, that's all the same. There's really nothing under the File tab that's different than the Google Documents, except for the spreadsheet settings, which I've never had to use. I've never had to change the settings for a spreadsheet. Maybe some people do have to use this. I'm not sure, though I'm assuming if you do have to use this, you probably know about it. But just in case. So under the general, you have basically the location where you can put whatever country you're in, and the time zone, and the language. So that's just all super general. And then a calculation. I'm not totally sure exactly what this is, but it looks like it has to do with this affects how often now, today, ran and ran between are updated. So I don't know exactly how that is important, but if you need it, that's where you find it under this settings, spreadsheet settings, and under file, and then you have like this other kind of calculation thing, which is turned off right now. So, but that is that. That's the only thing under the File tab that really is different from Google Documents. So if you don't really know exactly what's underneath the File tab or how to use all these, you could go ahead and go back and watch the File tab video I have for Google Documents, because it's basically the exact same thing. And then the Edit tab, you do have some differences. So you still have the undo and redo, which is also, you can find that right there. But then you also have the cut, copy, paste, but you also have paste special. So these are more specific to the Google spreadsheet. So if you wanted to paste values only, paste format only, paste data validation, conditional formatting, all these technical fancy terms. So if you wanted to paste any of those, that's where you can find that under the edit. And this is kind of specific to the Google spreadsheets. And then you still have find and replace. So if there's anything you want to find and replace. So let's say I found the letter A, and I want to replace it with the letter J or whatever, and replace. And so over here, any letter A turns into a letter J. But I don't want that. So let's change it back to that and replace. Replace. Oh, it would have to be the J up here. But anyway, so yeah, that is what that does, and that's still there. And oops, we're on this one now. So you still have find and replace, and then you have delete values, delete row 8, which is the reason why it's delete row 8 is because I'm on number 8 right now. If I have that selected, but if I were to go to like number 4 and go here, delete row 4, and then boom, it just, everything that would be in row 4 is just gone now, and all the stuff that was below it just shifts up. So that is pretty cool if you need to save some time. Delete column B. So again, this is the column I had selected. So you could delete row 4, column B, delete cells and shift up, delete cells and shift left. This is specific for columns, and this is for rows. And then you could clear notes and remove checkboxes. So yeah, so there's all this basically is for the Google spreadsheets, and then everything else is kind of similar to Google Documents. But that is basically it. That just covers both of those tabs. So hopefully you got something out of this, and that is it for this video. Thank you.